How to enable data saver mode on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to install the Facebook Messenger app from your Android as well as from your Play Store of your Android. Just you have to open that Facebook Messenger app in your phone. Click on the three dots which appear at the left top corner. Click on this gear option. You have to scroll this bar and click on data saver. Before enabling the data saver mode on your Facebook Messenger, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Click on data saver and you have to turn it on and off by clicking on this data saver option. This is for both Android as well as for iPhone. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.